What about that? That was mere flick of the wrist and away she goes.
He is Mr. 360 for a reason. Just using his wrist there. No use of the shoulders.
It was a full toss. And drilled hard, gets away to the boundary. Not entirely out of the middle of the bat, but still will take it.
The value for that shot. There you go. Slicing it, trying to find that elevation. Although it was there to be hit for a 6.
Yeah, but didn't entirely got under the ball. Is good. Oh, what about that for a flake? My word, this guy can play. He's a real entertainer. That was shot and a half. Holy wrist. This guy is a magical wrist operator.
Yeah. Classic. As far as table cricket is concerned.
Have a look at that for a swivel. That has gone into the stands, and it's yet another 6.
Ripping apart away Salim. It's a miracle how they don't get hit wicket. It's miraculous. They're standing inches away from the stumps.
He bats so deep in his crease, and that... Oh, there's no way you're going to stop if you keep bowling there in his arc. He is absolutely too good a player to miss out.
That's good. That's not no ball. But how well did he hit that? Majestic.
That was even better stuff, as his stuff over square leg and mid wicket. Have a look at that. Sublime timing and the follow through and holding a poser touch as well.
Go with the 6.
He does, or has he? Yes, he does. The timing is sublime. Most expensive over in this match so far.
I mean, a champion team playing against another champion team. This is what it's all about, Falak Sher. This is what it's all about.
I tell you what, Danish, it just can't get better than this. And that too has been talked down the ground. Thank you very much. That is the most expensive over in this match. Most expensive over in this match so far.
I mean, a champion team playing against another champion team. This is what it's all about, Falak Sher. This is what it's all about.
I tell you what, Danish, it just can't get better than this.
This one is lofted into the onside, and that is gone out of here. Another 6. Asad Shah, you little beauty.
6s already in the tournament. That is brilliant. Using full pace and using full of his power. Exceptional. Another 6. And Asad will go to 49 with this shot.
Sensational stuff. Outside that off stump, and he has given that a go, picking the buns out of that one, and what a way to bring his half century up.
Well, that's a proper creating shot, high ball cricket shot. Absolutely brilliant by Asad Shah, smacking all over the ground. I mean, there is no way a bowler can bowl to any line.
होती हैं या अच्छे प्लेयर वो होते हैं जो प्रेशर सिचुएशन के अंदर भी अच्छा परफॉर्म करे और एवरीडे इज नॉट संडे तो सामने वाली टीम अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही है इनसे बेहतर क्रिकेट खेलेंगे इंशाल्लाह मैच जीतेंगे
इस तरीके से जिस तरीके से अभी असद शाह खेल रहे हैं एंजॉय तो करता है रिगार्डलेस कि आपकी टीम दूसरी है बट
ऑब्वियस सी बात है
And Asad Shah has pulled that away and pulled that away over the backward square leg for yet another 6.
Shorter delivery, just pulling it, just swinging it towards the square.
Tonight, and Asad Shah has driven that one away, and he found the gap magnificently all the time.
Well, it's becoming a one-man show. Even though Fahad is an exceptional player, but he's just watching Asad play all those beautiful shots.
Asad goes again. Asad, you beauty. Power away over extra cover. Mine, what a batting.
Fahad go massive, and now it's Asad's turn. Well, he has been in form throughout, scoring in bits and pieces, and in today's innings, spectacular innings.
Asad goes again. Oh my word, what is going on? Another six, again picking the bombs out of that one.
107 with no loss. Well, the way he's picking every delivery, either it's a wide or the ball goes towards the boundary. Well, it's so exciting to see.
And he goes straight down the ground. He hammered that one over the side screen. He goes up to 88.
Loving it, absolutely loving the smacking shots by Asad. We are loving that as well. So much of excitement in the combox.
He's like an express train. Here goes Umar again. And Asad has cut that away and cut that away into the gap. It's running away towards the backward point. Boundary reaches there. Another four. He's in 90s now.
Taking all the power from the ground and just swinging it. Well, this was not a full-bladed shot. Still then, it went to the boundary because of the swing he has.
With the fifth ball of his over. And Asad has gone down the ground. Hammered that away. And here comes the first 100. Here he's doing the sajda to Allah. Oh my God. What a tremendous innings. What a sensational stuff. He's reached to his 100 in 25 ball. And Asad Shah, you are a beauty.
Absolutely, absolutely rightly said. He hammered that one as well. Absolutely brilliant by Asad. What a tweet to watch. Just 25 deliveries and he got his century. What a player he is. Well, there are no words to describe what innings that he has played in tonight.
What a piece of innings. And he goes again. It's going away. Fielder pull it in. Fielder did pull it in. But we will have to see the replay as well. But nevertheless, what a fantastic century it has been, Kainat. Asad Shah almost hammered them in all corners of the ground. And there you watch that.
Well, it was a good save by the fielder, at least saving a couple of runs. But there are going to be no words to describe how beautifully Asad has batting throughout. The swing he had, the way he was playing, his energy to the field, on the pitch was exceptional. Using the pace of the ballers, coming down the line, just using everything in his favor. Absolutely brilliant. The crowd enjoyed the innings. So did the team. I mean, everyone is on the field congratulating him at the moment for the innings he had played. It's never easy to score that 100 in just 6 overs. Can you just believe that? 26 deliveries and he is on 102 not out.
Wow, wonderful, amazing, monumental one. And there you see the spectators really congratulating him. And it deserved to be congratulated by everyone. 102 of 26 balls, got 106 overs for match. Wow, innings they are.